If you've been trying to eat healthy, but you still have crazy amounts of bloating and discomfort after eating, this video is for you. So recently, Advanced Food Intolerance Labs sent me a free test. So I was able to test all of my food intolerances. And you can see here the results are in, and they're all listed and they're categorized as such. I've had a lot of food sensitivities and allergies even as a child, but these tests are really valuable and it's important to get them done multiple times. So like every 6 months or even like once a year, because your food intolerances change. And if you do the work to improve your gut like I did, things can change and your intolerances can change too. Something that I've known for a long time is that my body can't process oil. And a lot of people think that's just me saying that I can't process oil because it's too caloric. But this test literally shows that my body struggles to process olive oil and sunflower oil. And if you don't know this already, sunflower oil is in pretty much everything in packaged foods in America. So this test has helped solidify what I kind of knew about my body and my digestion. So now I can formulate a game plan and work to keep healing it. If you're a client of mine, you know that fixing your gut is super important and it's one of the first things that I tackle with my one-on-one clients. But tests like this are so valuable also because when I create meal plans for clients, this literally tells me exactly what should and shouldn't be in your plan. Now, to be very clear, these are not allergies, right? So you want to be mindful and you want to be armed with the information to take care of yourself. So once again, this was from Advanced Food Intolerance Labs. All you have to do is cut a little bit of hair, so it's not like those blood tests, which I know can be really scary and kind of gross. You send it away, everything comes through online. This took less than a week. It was pretty fast, and honestly, I would recommend it, and I'm going to be recommending it to all my clients.